Hello guys, and welcome to this training program on Network Defense Essentials, also known as NDE. This training course is part of a cybersecurity attack and defense fundamentals specialization. The interactive labs component of this course ensures that learners receive that hands-on, practical experience required for a future in cybersecurity. The goals of network defense. Alright, so what is a network? The term network is used in different domains. It could be social networks, telephone networks, or computer networks. A computer network is the interconnection of end devices and network devices with the use of connectors or wirelessly to share information. The term network defense is a set of processes and protective measures that use computers in a network to detect, monitor, protect, analyze, and defend against network infiltrations resulting in services or network denial. Network security is not merely concerned with the security of the computers at each point of the communication chain. Nevertheless, it intends to ensure that the whole entire system is safe and secure. The primary target of network security is actually privacy, integrity, and accessibility. The feature of privacy is actually to guard priceless service data from unwanted individuals. Privacy is that part of network security that ensures that the data is actually readily available just to the wanted as well as accredited individuals. Integrity. This target means sustaining and assuring the precision and the congruity of data. The function of integrity is actually to make sure that the information is reliable as well as is not altered by unwanted persons. Accessibility. The functionality of accessibility in network security is actually to see to it that the records, system resources, services are actually constantly on call to the genuine users whenever they need it. Network defense benefits. The benefits of network defense are to protect information assets, ensure communication, and reduce the risk of being attacked. This could be further expatiated to safeguard, profit increase, improve productivity, enhance compliance, and client confidence. Safeguard in network is a term that refers to the process of protecting a network from unauthorized access, misuse, or theft. The safeguard of systems, files, data, and personal information are mostly concerned in this section. Profit increases are experienced within an organization's defense, and that mostly concerns the protection against threats, attack prevention, vulnerabilities prevention, and loss prevention. The benefit of improved productivity, which can be observed here, is more unproductive activities like adult content, gaming, and gossip, enhanced compliance that takes into consideration avoiding penalties for lack and real-time monitoring helps. The last is the client confidence, which is made up of system and data protection. Network defense challenges are the difficulties or problems that arise when trying to protect computer systems from cyber attacks. These challenges could be classified under four main categories: disrupting the computing environment, emerging threats, lack of network security skills, and other challenges. The disrupted computing environment breaks into 3 points, which are the advances in modern technology such as cloud computing, the Internet of Things, and remote access have created new challenges for network defense. Vast and complex networks. Complex networks have more entryways and points of interaction than ever for cybercriminals to target, making it more likely they will be able to find a vulnerability. And potential security vulnerabilities. They are weaknesses or flaws in a system that can be exploited by attackers to compromise its confidentiality, integrity, or availability. They can pose a network defense challenge because they require constant monitoring, detection, and mitigation to prevent or minimize the impact of cyber attacks. Emerging threats like attacks becoming more sophisticated and better organized cause great network security challenges. The lack of network security skills is one of the most difficult challenges faced by network defense. If a network engineer doesn't know how to respond to an attack, there is no chance for him to survive and protect his information. Other challenges to network defense include attacks via the internet, protecting public servers such as web, email, and DNS, internal attacks, developing guidelines to handle networks, and enabling intrusion detection and logging capabilities.